Want to keep your Redmi contacts safe? In this video, we'll show you 5 easy ways to back up Redmi contacts to your Mac and prevent data loss. Number 1. How to back up Redmi contacts to Mac via MobiKin program. MobiKin Backup Manager for Android, Mac, and Windows is a reliable tool to back up and restore Android data, including Redmi contacts, to your Mac. User Guide. After downloading and installing the MobiKin software on your Mac, double-click the program icon to open it. Then, connect your Redmi phone to the computer using a USB cable. At this stage, make sure that USB debugging is activated on your device. Once the software has successfully detected the connected device, click on Backup in the main interface to open the Redmi Data Backup window. Following this, choose the types of files you wish to backup. After you have selected the data types you want, click on Browser to specify an output location. Finally, click the Backup button to start the process. Once it is finished, you will be able to see your data safely backed up to a local folder on your Mac. Number 2. How do I back up my Redmi contacts to my Mac via Google Contacts? On Redmi, Settings, Accounts, Google, Enable Contacts, tap Sync Now. On Mac, go to contacts.google.com, sign in, click Export the card, download. In Mac Contacts app, File Import, select the card. Number 3. How do I export all contacts from Redmi to Mac via MacDroid? Install MacDroid on your Mac, connect your Redmi via USB and choose MeTP, select File Transfer on your phone, go to Contacts menu, Export to File, find the exported file in Finder. Number 4. How to copy contacts from Redmi to Mac with SyncMate. Install SyncMate on Mac. Add Redmi device Wi-Fi, scan QR and install module on phone. Enable permissions and sync. Confirm device on Mac and phone. Select contacts and start sync. Number 5. How to connect Redmi phone to Mac for contact backup via SD card. Open Contacts on Redmi. Go to Import or Export to the SD card. VecFef, remove SD card and insert into Mac. Open Finder and locate the file. Copy it to Mac and open with Contacts app.